Hi everyone, Alina here, welcome to my channel, and today I like to share with you how I create this beautiful neat fringe using acrylic gel, and I will add it there some beautiful nice pointy flat stones. Please keep watching! Like always, before we start, we prepare our nails, so we remove product if we have a product, we make it shiny, remove, and we put it like buffer, then put prep and primer, like always basic things. And then, of course, before all gels, polygel or any gels, we are added base coat. Base coat I added small layer, not too thick layer. Always remember that, not too big layer, just have to be little bit wet. And after we are curing, and we are added some forms. Sometimes I am first apply forms and after I am put some base coat. But problem is, if you are not accurate with your nails and your form might be moving when you put it in lamp to cure it base coat. So that's why I am do completely this way what I'm doing now. So I am added as well my forms, and then when it's sticking a little bit I am cut it and I'm applying now builder gel to extend it my nail. So sometimes you can do it straight away with polygel, but in this case I am using polygel only for a smiley line. Now using my tools, what it's like looks strange and a lot of people don't even know what is that, but I am actually enjoy it and I find it for myself. It's helped me a lot when I use it, these tools, to make nice soft arch, what it's remind me of natural nails. Then I'm apply with my makeup gel, what it's my one of the favorite color, it's number 5 and number 7, and first ball I'm create beautiful smiley line. And very careful, you have to be very accurate with it for after we're not filing a lot. So when you're happy with the result, when you build your first let's say step, then we cure it and after we are apply second ball. When we apply second ball and cure it, then we remove sticky layer, and before we are file it, always remember to remove sticky layer, because if you not remove sticky layer, then your file gonna be sticky and your e-file gonna be sticky and everything on the table it will be sticky. When you're happy with your filing, you are clean all your dust, clean your nail, and clean basically table. It's better. So now I filed one nail, but when you are busy with 5 or 10 nails, you have to clean the table, believe me. And after I am used white makeup gel, what it's called, polygel as well, and apply my smiley line French. So when I'm as well happy with the result, when it's all tidy and neat, where is we call it mustache, near to the cuticles area, everything that's covered, then I'm perfectly type it with the brush or with the wooden stick and cure it nicely, at least for 2 minutes. Remember, white it's little bit longer dry than normal colors because it's high pigment. And when it's high pigment, it need to be done cure properly. So at least, like I say, 2 minutes, 2 full minutes. How you can see, before I cure it, I make a hole, small hole, and after I'm cured in the lamp, like I said, 2 minutes. After when you finish curing, you are wipe it layer again, sticky layer, and then you have to drill it a hole for your diamonds. When you finish with application and when you're finished with curing and remove all these sticky layers, you are start filing. So I use e-file first to remove a lot of product what it's on the top, and then I finish my filing with file, normal file, to make it perfect. So after when I finish to file it with the file to make it perfect, you are drill it a hole like I say earlier and install diamonds. before we are finished and we put top coat, you have to buff it, but careful, you can buff it near to the cuticles, you can buff it between your nail bed, but you cannot file it edge of the nail, because if you file it, buff it edge of the nail and you apply top coat, sometimes it might be peel off your top coat, because it is like you make like too shiny, too slippery for a top coat, and it might be not sticking. Makes sense, right? So that's why when I file it and after when I buff it, I use buffer all the nail, but free edge I will not. So it have to be at least 2-3 millimeters. We are not completely buffed in the end. Then I am apply top coat, how you see it, and only when it's top coat cured and we know already where we're gonna put our diamonds, then after top coat we just make it whole, because if you put before top coat and then you apply your diamond and then you have to put top coat, right, and then you are seal it with the top coat, then it's not make sense and it's not look shiny and pretty. So that's why I put first top coat and only after I finish with my diamond. A hole like when I drill it. I don't know this is word where it's come from, but anyway, I am always check is it my diamond fit or not. So as well, very careful with it, because it might be diamond too big, then it's fine, you can just little bit make a bigger your hole. But if your diamond is too small, then or you have to change the diamond or you have to do it nail again, because if you are put it inside and it's too big hole and diamond is too small, then you have to put product a lot, and if you put like glue, what I'm doing now, then it's not gonna look nice, I'm sure. That's why always measure when you do diamonds. Always measure size of the diamond and size of the hole before you are apply your glue and before you apply your diamond. So like this. When I'm done with the diamond, when I apply already diamond and cure it, then I seal it a little bit my edges with the top coat with small tiny brush. If you see it some little bit top coat, it's not on the place, you just wipe a top coat before you curing. And remember, you put your oil only after 1-2 minutes. Your come out from the lamp, otherwise it's not gonna be shiny. Thank you.